Now you can opt for a versatile Malco stapler that secures PEX to foam board or wood. The familiar concept of a lightweight continuous feed stapler that operates from a standing position is now available for securing a layout of PEX polyethylene cross-linked tubing to either a wooden subfloor or an insulated base of foam board used with in-floor radiant heating installations. This stapler employs a weight cylinder to install Malco PEX to wood staples in one easy stroke. A one-piece non-stick polymer magazine and smooth plunger action combine with Malco's exclusive wood staple design and foam board staples to ensure smooth operation and superior pull strength. A sturdy retractable wire form stand allows the stapler to remain upright when not in use or when reloading staples. Malco PEX to wood staples come in easy loading strips of 25. A staple weight added to the magazine slide ensures a smooth, steady feed for uninterrupted stapling. These one-of-a-kind collated staples feature sure-gripping, ring-shank nail inserts that quickly penetrate the thick ply layers of a wooden subfloor. The stapler head is held flush to the floor to hold PEX in place and ensure secure connections. And the staple's low profile requires less thin-set concrete to cover over the PEX layout. The dual-purpose Malco PEX stapler also accepts both 1.5-inch and 2.5-inch Malco foam board staples for fastening PEX to 1-inch or 2-inch foam board. A conversion kit is available for users of Malco FBS and current FBSN stapler models. Simply installing a weight is a very affordable way to add the PEX to wood capability to a foam board stapler. Fast, easy, reliable. The Malco PEX to wood and foam board stapling system. Look for it wherever professional quality tools are sold.